Good afternoon, everyone. I, Dr. Sarita, Coordinator IIC Cell, extended a warm welcome to our valued speaker and all the dignitaries on the behalf of IMT College of Science and Technology to this workshop on design thinking, critical thinking, and innovation design. First and foremost, I would like to extend a warm welcome our esteemed guest, Dr. Arun Kumar Rana, Assistant Professor, Galgotia College of Engineering and Technology, Greater Noida. Dr. Poonam Pandey, Director, IIMT College of Science and Technology. Dr. C.S. Yadav, Dean, IIMT College of Science and Technology. Dr. Vaishali, President, IIC. Dr. Disha Vidyarthi, Convener, IIC, and all the coordinators, students, and valued attendees. Before starting this workshop, let me introduce you all our skilled speaker, Dr. Arun Kumar Ram. He has completed his BTech degree from Kurukshetra University, MTech and PhD degree from Maharishi Markandeeshwar University, Molana. His area of interest includes image processing, wireless sensor network, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and embedded systems. Dr. Arun Kumar Rana is currently working as assistant professor at Galgotia's College of Engineering and Technology, Greater Noida, with more than 16 years of experience. He is a collaborative researcher. He has published 25 SCI papers, 30 Scopus papers, 25 chapters, 25 papers in national and international conference, and 10 national and international patents. He has published 10 books with the national and international publishers. He is a member of the Asia Society of Research. He has a keen interest in teaching and implementing the latest techniques related to wireless and IoT technology. I'm sure that this interaction with our guest, Dr. Arun Kumar Rana, will be a valuable learning experience for all of us. With that, I would like to invite Dr. Arun Kumar Rana to come forward and address our esteemed gathering. It's our to you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for nice introduction, ma'am. And today I will discuss some typical topics related to the IoT in the case of the design of thinking, critical thinking, and innovation in the field of the IoT. And in this, I will discuss some scenario related to the design creation of the fields in the relation of the IoT in the field of the marketing, in the field of the research, in the field of the analysis. Now, today my topic is a workshop in designing thinking, critical thinking, and innovation thinking. Now, in the today's scenario, we know very well. First, we have to some find out the problems, then find out the solution, and then we have to design some kind of project related to the problems. And today, my discussion related to the IoT. In this, I will discuss about how we can create some kind of solution for the problem and how we can design the solution for the problem related to the IoT in the field of the social lives. And first, what is IoT? Yeah, we can say what do you mean by Internet of Things. This means everything have to connect to the internet so that we can manage the control of the applications. Like in this slide, you can see Internet of Things. This is related to the factories. We can manage the factory with the help of IoTs. We can watch, we can control, we can maintain everything with the help of IoT. And like ships, airplane, trains, again, we are able to connect all things to the internet so that we can manage the different things. And like shops, airport stations, all are nowadays IoT enabled. In this, we can manage the application with the help of sensors so that we can get the data, so that we can process the data. Now, like mobile devices, again, my mobile devices connect to the internet so that we can manage the control with the help of devices. Edge devices so that we can control the artificial devices, self-driving car, cloud computing, fog computing, everything nowadays in the control of IoT. IoT data center, again, data center have to manage the flow of the data. Data may be image, audio, video, text, so that we can process the data for the flow of the data to control with the help of security and some kind of relationship. Then IoT enabled cities. Nowadays we hearing about in the news about smart cities, smart healthcare, smart centers. These are all related to the IoT enabling devices. In the help with the devices, we can manage the different quality system with the help of IoT devices. And now Nowadays we know smart building, smart homes. The meaning of these smart home, smart building is that then everything, all devices is connected to the internet, so that we can control the different device with the help of internet. Now I can say IoT, yeah, internet is the backbone of the all technologies using nowadays. It's most trending technology in the field of designing, so that we can, if you want to some kind of design, then you know some technology, then IoT is the backbone of old technology nowadays. Now we know about the internet and we know about the IoT. Yeah, we can say Internet of Things. We should know the difference between internet and Internet of Things. Internet mean just we have to connect different devices to the internet so that we can share information like image, audio, video, text. This is only possible in case of internet. Now you can see here internet mean connecting of devices like tab, mobile phone, desktop, database, router, switches. These are all in the field of the internet. In this we can manage the different operation of devices with the help of internet. And we know, we should know the father of internet. The father of internet is the Wind Surf, who discovered internet, then who discovered how we connect the devices for the sharing of information, how we can connect the devices with the help of internet, yeah, with the help of IP addresses. And these are the major service provided by the internet. As we know about www, this is world wide web, web pages, home pages, web browsers, search engine, protocols like provide some data connection, secure data connection to establish connection in different devices. Then internet protocol to provide the unique ID so that devices can be connected to the internet, so that data can be shared with the connected devices. DNS, this is the domain name server, so that we can connect within domain for data sharing. HTTP, again, hypertext transfer protocol, email, news group, video conference. These are the major clients for the internet. If you are using internet, then you have to go through these points. These are the major concerns in case of internet. And these are types of networking in case of internet. If you want to connect devices, then you may use local area network, wide area network, man network, computer area network, home network. Local area network, as we know, these are very basic in the case of IoT, in the case of internet, because we know about the internet, then we can go for the IoT. Local area network mean building, wide area network mean within countries, yeah, worldwide we can share the information. Metropolitan area network mean within city. Campus area network mean within university, yeah, within college. Home area network means smart homes. These are the networks created by the computer, connected by the internet. Now if we want to connect some other devices like building, home, fan, fridge, AC, healthcare, Indian Army, then we will use IoT, Internet of Things. This is what you mean by Internet of Things. This is clear definition of IoT. In this slide, you will see how we can connect the user to the cloud and cloud to the devices. Now you can see this is cloud, this is smart home having smart devices, bulb, AC, security system, and this security system connected to the user inside the car. Mean from anywhere, from everywhere, user can get the information about these devices. He can monitor with the help of cloud, and all the devices connected to the cloud with the help of IoT. IoT mean Internet of Things, mean every devices have to connect it to the cloud. Cloud mean internet. Then with the help of internet, user from anywhere can access information about the devices. He can secure the information, he can switch on and off bulb, he can switch on and off ACs, all appliances connected in the house, connected to the internet with the user. So this is the brief description of IoT. This is the present scenario, how we can manage the information with the help of IoT devices. The father of IoT, yeah, we can say Internet of Things, is Kevin Austin, who discovered Internet of Things, who discovered how human being can be connected to the internet, who discovered how physical devices can be connected to the internet so that we can control the devices location, position, operation, anything with the help of internet devices. In 1999, he discovered the IoT, Internet of Things. And IoT, you know very well, IoT is the major branch of computer science. Like if you want to design some kind of critical uh, object, yeah, critical project, then you first find the problem. First find the problem, then there will be some solution, then solution, after the solution there will be some kind of project. So this workshop just want to get the idea about the some problems, then find some solution in the efficient manner with the help of Internet of Things. So Internet of Things provides solution of every problems nowadays. Now, history of IoT, this is the barcode, you know very well, for the information, for the data access. These are normal barcode. This is developed by Norman Joseph Woodland. And after barcode, there's head-mounted display devices, so that we can virtually analyze the information with the help of head-mounted display device. And then first wearable computer inside the shoe, so that we can monitor the location of any user person, any disabled person with the help of these shoes. Then wearable computer eyeglasses mounted display device to provide to gaming options, so that we can create amazing environment of the information. Then in 1973, RFID tag, RFID mean radio frequency identification tag, like we are using smart cards, smart tags. This is example of RFID tags. In 1973, discovered by Mario Cardillo, received the first patent for the developing RFID tags. Then Coke vending machine to monitor the number of bottles in 1988. This is again the next discovery after the RFID tags. Then after Coke vending machine in 1998, the connected objective together using RFID technology at the Auto IoT centering at the MIT device. Then after 1990, then these RFID devices to the connected, so another device with providing unique ID, so that data can be accessed. And 2004, the first patent published in the field of IoT, so that we can manage different kind of applications like lights, switches, home healthcare, shipping monitoring. These are the revolution in the field of IoT with the help of IoT devices. In 2004, revolution started. Then basic building, yeah, we can say, if you want to find some kind of scenario, design some kind of scenario, then this is the basic building block of IoT. Now you can say, if you want to find the solution of any problem, yeah, you find to execute some kind of application, then you should know the basic scenario, how we can design the database, how we can design the hardware, how we can design the software, how we can process the any kind of application. Now you can see, if you want to design IoT based scenario, then you should know the first thing, end devices, node, sensor, hardware. Like if you want to measure temperature of any location, then you need end devices. End devices, you need some temperature sensor, so that you can measure the temperature from anywhere from with the help of IoT devices. End devices mean like temperature sensors, yeah, any devices you want to operate, end devices. And after end devices, there is gateway, local processing nodes, etc. Like if you are deployed some end devices, then after end devices, you know, you need gateway, so that data can be transferred with the help of gateway to the other devices. And after the gateway, you need connectivity and communication channel. First, end devices, sensor devices need path, then this is gateway. After the path need connectivity and communication, then this is the natural phenomenon, like we need Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, RFID. If we have the connection, we have the connectivity and communication, then we can transfer the data from end devices to the gateway to the connectivity. After the connectivity, mean we have to manage the data, we have to process the data. Then next is software like operating system, yeah, we can say protocol. Protocol means set of rules, so that we can manage the data from one device to the another device. If set of rule not followed by the devices, data will not be transferred to the one device to the drive another devices. Then after software, there is cloud. Cloud means provide the online storage, online security of the data. If you want to connect some devices, then you need to register on the cloud. If you are not registered on the cloud, then data will not be transferred to the devices. This is only purpose of the security. So this means if you want to design any IoT based project in this workshop, then you should need end devices, gateway, connectivity, software, and cloud. Then you can set up any kind of database, any kind of project, any problem solution, anything. I will show some kind of projects in the next slides. This is the basic scenario for the data connection and data transmission in the IoT device. If you want to work in the field, then you know about the end device, gateway, connectivity, software, and clouds. These are the sensor like temperature sensor, position sensor, soil sensor, moisture sensor, humidity sensor, level sensor, flow sensor, force sensor, everything. Everything nowadays managed by the IoT devices. All sensor provide data to the processor, then processor data will be transferred to the nodal devices, nodal devices data to the provider, these users. So we should know about the whole sensor so that we can connect the sensor. Like if you want to measure the temperature, then there is temperature sensor. If you want to measure the level of anything like liquid level, water level, then level sensor. If you want to measure the pollution, then pollution MQ35. This is the name of sensor. MQ35 sensor provide the pollution information. Like temperature LM35 for the temperature sensor. These are different sensors so that we can deploy the sensor, we can find the data and then transfer the data.
Recording in progress.
Okay, now next is, now we should know about the revolution in the field of industry and now in education system. We are in the education system, we know the value of education system, we know the where we are nowadays. I will discuss about some revolution in the field of education and industry revolution. You can see in the slide first revolution, second revolution, third revolution, fourth revolution. Now in first revolution, like a mechanical system, no electricity, no computer was present in case of first revolution. Now in second revolution, electricity introduced, electrical train started, but computer system still absent in second revolution. Third revolution introduced computer system, IT system, so that we can provide automation in the field of education, in the field of industry. And fourth revolution, now we are living in the fourth revolution. We are using cyber physical system, AI, IoT, big data, blended and education, 3D printing, machine learning, deep learning, data science. So we are in fourth revolution, and we know that we are working in the automation world in which we are using computer, in which we are using IT system, we are using IoT, we are using AI. And now I am delivering lecture in the field of IoT for the creation, the problem solution is the part of fourth revolution. So this is the main slide. We all aware about this slide. First revolution was mechanical, second revolution was electrical system, third revolution mean we are teaching and we are learning about computer and IT system. Fourth revolution mean nowadays we are teaching and learning about AI, machine learning, big data, deep learning, IoT, everything. So this is the main slide of the today workshop. We all aware and we should discuss with our student about this slide. We are now living in the fourth revolution. Yeah, we can say 4.0. 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, and now we are in 4.0. Mean we are just connecting with a man to machine. Nowadays, we are using Alexa device, mean man to machine. This means we are in 4.0 revolution field. After 4.0, next is 5.0 revolution, the future of our world. In this world, there will be man to machine, not man to machine conversation will be started in case of 5.0 revolution. The future is 5.0, mean machine to machine, no need of man. This is the revolution in the field of technology, in the field of industry, in the field of education. After the learning of these technology like AI, machine learning, deep learning, we are able to design a robotic system. Robotic system mean the combination of AI, machine learning, deep learning, data science, big data, algorithm, everything. If you know, then you are able to design robotic system. This is the main discussion of the workshop for the design of any project or product. These are the main sensor. We are using the ST11 sensor, humidity temperature sensor, SS11 sensor measuring PM2 sensor, major sensor, Arduino board, different sensors, so that we can manage the information with the help of devices. Now, if you want to some projects for controlling temperature, humidity, pollution, spinning, fire control, gate opening, fan control, machine control, speed control, then this is the core devices. With the help of these devices, Arduino devices, we can design thousands of projects for the domestic application. This is the about 400 devices, and with the help of 400 plus some components, we can design different project. This is the core devices. We can say this is a microcontroller. This is motherboard. Motherboard microcontroller mean controlling the instruction and producing the result. This is the main part in this at mega microcontroller in the central. This is the main part of the board. This will receive the instruction, produce the result, produce the output, so that we can manage the any kind of application, any kind of project, any kind of problem, and can produce the any kind of solution with the help of these devices. This is the some link, so that we can download the software. Arduino IDE using some software, and with the help of software we design the program, any kind of program. If you want to control temperature, there will be temperature control program. If you want to control the speed of motor, then there will be temperature control of speed motor program. Then this will, every application have different program. With the help of program, we can control the any application. In short, we can say embedded system. Embedded system mean a combination of hardware, combination of software, so that we can manage any application with that project. And after Arduino board, next one is Raspberry Pi. This is again very popular and very famous devices. This is like a small computer. This is like a credit card size devices. This is purely computer in 4-5 thousand rupees. In this, you can see Raspberry Pi. Pi mean this device is operated on Python language. Pi mean Python. Python language is used to operate these devices. These devices have a processor, having RAM, having ROM, USB port, Ethernet port, power supply, micro HDMI port. This is like a complete computer. You can attach a display on Raspberry Pi devices. You can connect LAN cable, you can connect USB, you can use aux cable, everything provided on the Raspberry Pi devices. This is popular devices because in these devices we can control thousands of projects, plus we can operate like a computer. We can run any kind of application, any operating system, like Raspberry Pi having different operating system. Like very popular operating system is Noobs, NWOBS, Noobs operating system installed in this device. And after installing the device, we can control different typical kind of project. Like if you want to design self-driving car need lots of data, so that we can control driving speed and everything of in the car. Then this Raspberry Pi device is very important devices for machine learning project. If you are designing self-driving car, mean you need some kind of data, so that you're able to design, you're able to operate the data. Then this is best devices for the machine learning based project. The future prospect of IoT, in 1990, there was 0.30 million devices. 1999, 90 million devices. 2010, 1 billion devices. To 25, 1.0 trillion devices, or the huge amount of devices in future. And this will create lots of opportunity for the students. These are the application: smart home, smart city, smart healthcare, smart grid, smart industry, smart agriculture. Everywhere nowadays, IoT is using. Here you can see, if you are using IoT in smart home, then in smart home you can manage, you can find different devices like smart fridge, smart security, smart CCTV camera, smart bulbs in smart home. And in agriculture field, like you are using IoT, then there will be smart drones, smart soil, smart tractor, smart monitoring. In smart city, there will be smart industry, healthcare, security, energy meter. Now these all features only possible with the help of IoT devices. Smart healthcare, smart patient tracker, remote health monitoring, smart healthcare devices, smart wearable devices. These are the again part of the IoT field. Smart industry, smart turbines, smart solars, smart grids, smart industry, smart roboting, smart mobility, smart I mean everything. IoT, we can say everything connected to the internet. Nowadays, we know without internet nothing is possible. But if internet is smart, then you can manage everything with the help of IoT devices. Then benefits of IoT. Yes, now we know efficient resource utilization. If you are using IoT, you can know, you can how you can manage the devices with the help of IoT device. If you are in college, from college you can control the all appliances of your home with the help of IoT devices, because you have end devices, you have gateway, you have communication network, you have software, you have cloud. Then with the help of this scenario, we can manage everything. This means efficient resource utilization, minimizing human efforts, natural things. If you are using IoT devices, then minimizing human efforts, save times. This will save time for the work. Development of AI through IoT. We know Alexa is the best example of AI through IoT. With the help of Alexa, we can operate anything in house. If you have all devices connect to the Alexa AI based devices, having database, after getting the instruction from the user, AI can operate anything with the help of IoT devices. If we have not internet, then no use of AI. Yeah, we can say no use of Alexa. Alexa mean everything have to depend on the internet. Internet mean IoT. IoT mean Internet of Things. In short, these are the application of IoT: smart homes, manufacturing, transportations like self-driving car. Yeah, we can say we can monitor the location of any bus, car with the help of IoT devices. In future, every school will use monitoring the GPS tracking of the buses, so that parents can locate the location of bus, can track the buses, so that for the security of the. Next, agriculture. Agriculture, again, I told, provide the soil sensor, temperature, drone monitoring, smart buildings, smart healthcare. These are the major areas for the controlling with the help of IoT devices with the field of trending IoTs. In short, you can see at the time going away and far, then you can see everything is connected to the internet. Nothing is outside of the world of internet, and everything connected to the internet. So it's become easy to access anything with the help of internet. In this scenario, you can see this is big bridge, like you can see Howrah Bridge. And if you monitor the location, position, condition, then IoT provide the scenario. Now you can see the different sensor attached on the bridge. These sensor will find the vibration, will find the operation, condition. Every data will be transferred to the monitoring person. If there is some critical situation, then data will be sent to the transfer person, yeah, monitoring person, and they will monitor according to the data received. So this is the basic use of IoT for monitoring any conditions. Now you can see for weather monitoring project, if you monitoring weather, then this is the main use of the database. There's like humidity sensor, Raspberry Pi, VMware for the cloud, CN cloud. These are the basic parts of the any project if you want to monitor the weather conditions. These are some product, Google Nest for monitoring the temperature, Philips Hue bulbs, smart bulbs, we can say these bulbs connected to the internet, yeah, lecture devices, yeah, your mobile phone, and we can switch on and off with the help of IoT devices. Green IQ controller for the production of weather, smart baby monitorings, a very popular Fitbit band for monitoring health. These are again part of IoT device and very popular devices in the market. IoT working groups, as we know, we are using IoT device. We should know what kind of group working behind for the designing of the devices. First one, very popular, IEEE means Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. This group working for the designing of hardware plus software plus providing the range of the devices. We all have to follow the IEEE standards. IEEE and another devices, Open Connectivity Foundation, another fundamental groups for working for the IoT Internet Engineering Task Force, again providing the range and providing the boundary of the devices. These are all working group so that we can manage the flow of information, for manage of the production of the devices, for manage the circulation of the software and the range of the devices. All things decided by these working groups. So we should aware if we are working in the field of computer, if we are working in the field of internet, and if we are working in the field of internet of things. Now I will discuss about some case study. Case study mean nowadays using in the IITs and IITs, how we can deploy the IoT devices, how we can deploy the IoT technologies. Now, first case study I will discuss about IoT enabled agri sensor nodes. Mean if you want to monitor your agriculture conditions, then this is the scenario. In this scenario, you can see agri sensor node, different agri sensor node. You can see here agri sensor node having processing unit, antenna, antenna on the top, and this agri sensor node will transfer the information to the user. Mean if I am from Haryana and present time I am moving in USA. From USA, I can monitor the locations, I can monitor the condition of my agriculture field with the IoT sensors. Yeah, we can say agri sensor node provide the information of different parameter. You can see here parameter like microclimatic parameters, air temperature, soil moisture, soil temperature. All parameter will be transferred to the cloud connected LoRa gateway long radio wave devices. This is devices and this is the gateway. These devices collect the parameter like air temperature, soil sensor, soil temperature, and then this information transferred to the cloud. And after the cloud data will be accessed by the user from anywhere. This is the first case study to get the information of agri sensor node agriculture fields. Now next case study, cattle health monitoring. Yeah, yes, you are using the devices on the neck of cattle. You can say this is the sensor devices attached on the animal neck. Here you can see, and these devices known as MSN. MSN mean multi-sensor node. Multi-sensor node get the information and then information transferred to the central control system, and central control system information sent to the user. And what kind of information just getting by these devices? These are body temperature, pulse rate, respiration rate, walking activity. I mean to say, with the help of IoT devices, we can monitor these parameters, and these are the very, very important nowadays so that we can monitor the health of any animals from anywhere with the help of IoT devices. So these are the major breakthrough in the field of the IoT sensor providing the different control of the devices. These are the some features. Now, next case study, you can see for monitoring of auto spreading diagnosis, crop yield, smart data monitoring, soil erosion, field monitoring, water stresses, everything we can monitor with the help of IoT. In this slide, you can see different Wi-Fi based sensor attached in the field, and different sensor getting the different information, and information transfer to the cloud. You can see from the slide, these are the cloud, and these are the edge devices. Edge devices mean information provided by the edge devices. Nowadays we are using edge devices, fog devices, cloud devices. Yeah, we can say edge computing, cloud computing, fog computing. These are the different field for the accessing of the data. This will depend on the scenario, depend on the project location. Yeah, we can say project position, yeah, project cost. We can use the three scenarios: edge, fog, and computer. In this, we can see cloud computing getting the data and data transfer to the laptop, computer, desktop, any devices, so that where you can monitor the conditions. And this one is most popular in the COVID scenario. In COVID scenario, the main problem was to moving patient from one location to the another location. Then IoT provide the best solution to resolve that problem. In this, you can see uh, this is W-band. W-band means wireless body area net. Wireless mean some wireless sensor attached on the body, like pulse oximeter, blood pressure, ECG, EMG, motion sensor. These are the sensor attached to the body, so that data will be captured by these devices, and data captured transfer to the gateway devices. You can see gateway node, and then after gateway node, the next one is the base station. After the base station, data transfer to the internet, and after the internet, data accessed by the medical expert. In this case, there is no need to move patient from one location to the another location. So this is only possible with the Internet of Things. Just attaching the sensor on the body, and data will be transferred to the gateway device, then base station, then internet, then medical expert. I discussed in the previous slide, we should have end devices, then gateway devices, then network, communication network, then software, and then cloud. If you want to design any kind of project, any kind of scenario, then these things required: first end devices, then gateway, then communication network, then cloud, and then software. These are the major vendor working for the IoT, working for the IoT hardware, IoT software, IoT security protocols. These are IBM, Google, Internet, Microsoft, Cisco. These are the major vendor working for the IoT companies. So if you want to work in the field of IoT, then you have bright future, so that you can see in the slide IoT solution architecture. You get IoT software engineer and embedded IoT cloud, IoT system administration, IoT infrastructure, IoT test engineer. IoT mean if you just getting some knowledge about the IoT, then you are able to work in the field of AI, machine learning, deep learning, data science, cloud computing, cyber security, blockchain, because every have to flow data from one location to another location. Then if you want to flow the data, then you should use internet, and you will be use internet, so that data can be flow with the help of different technology. So if you want to work in the IoT, then you should know the all about the IoT, like hardware, software, operating system, so that you can make your future bright. And if you discuss about your students, then students are also find some very nice project in the field of IoT. If they are using self-driving, we know self-driving car mean AI, machine learning, and but self-driving is only possible with the help of internet. We need connectivity, we need the transmission of data. This is only possible with the help of sensor, some hardware devices, and connectivity of the internet. If you want to do some research and want to find good journal papers in the field of IoT, these are the best simulator, Kuja simulator, Kuja operating system. This is a very open source and free of cost simulator available on the internet. MATLAB, Matrix Laboratory, NS3 Network Simulator. These are the simulator. In these simulator, we can design any kind of scenario. With the help of scenario, we can find the solution. Then after the solution, we can deploy the uh, scenario of the sensor so that we can get the good result. So these are the some best scenarios so that we can find the good result. We can publish the good paper with the help of this scenario. These are the most popular protocol. If you are using IoT field, then you should aware about the protocol. This is CoAP, Constant Application Protocol, AMQ protocol, DDS, MQTT, 6LoWPAN, RPL. These protocol working in the different eras and controlling the different application with the flow of the data. Protocol means some set of rules. If device is following the rules, then device is able to connect to the internet. If a device is not following the rule, then not possible to connect with the devices. So protocol is the backbone of any technology. Like if you are using internet, we know if we are using internet, we should based, yeah, we have to manage information with the help of HTTP, SMTP. These are internet protocol. And if you are working in the IoT field, these are the IoT protocol, CoAP, AMQ, DDS, MQTT, 6LoWPAN, RPL. These are the challenges if you are designing good project, future oriented project, and data management, decryption, encryption, data privacy. These are some major challenges you may face in the futures. And these are the government initiative. Now we are in the field in the IoT, and government providing the support. You can see in the slide, market size USD 309.6 billion by 2026. So to fulfill this dream, a government provides the support to the students, support to the teachers, support to the college. So with the help of these support, we can manage, we can find the solution of any problem, and we can break the any barriers in the problem in the future of the technologies. Together we can find everything with the help of IoT, I think. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Sarita, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir, for this interactive and knowledgeable lecture. Now, I would like to invite Dr. Vaishali, President IIC, for what of things. It's over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Sarita ma'am, for giving me this opportunity. First of all, I would like to thank Dr. Arun Kumar Rana sir for sparing time from his busy schedule and joining with us in today's lecture and sharing his valuable insight in today's topic. Thank you so much, sir. And I hope all the students as well as faculty members are largely benefited from today's session, as sir has explained all the topics in such an elaborative way. Thank you so much, sir. I would also like to thank uh, respected principal ma'am Dr. Poonam Pandey ma'am and Dean sir Dr. C.S. Yadav sir for giving us this opportunity to organize this session. I would also like to thank Dr. Sarita Dilal, the coordinator for this session, for successfully coordinating and completing this session. Finally, I would like to thank all the attendees for joining with us in today's session. Once again, thank you so much, sir, for this session. Thank you all once again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.